Hey guys, so today we are going to check the macro, which is very essential for engineer who wants to convert or export a different format in just a few clicks. So today I've just taken a part as an example, but still we can also convert Solidworks drawing as a PDF and assembly as a step and other formats. So I'm gonna select now a file export. So where you can see here, choose the file format to export. So this is a pop-up. You will get for the user kind of user interference, I can say. So here you can select step format and IGES format for the most probably we used to have. So I'm gonna select these two formats right now, and since I have saved this part file in this test folder, a local drive in test folder, so I just want to save these two format in the location where I want. So I'm going to select this option, export to same location, and I'm going to run this macro. So once you run, in the fraction of second, the parts are get saved in this file format, and also you got a notification saying that it's been completed actually. So you can select OK, and we can just go ahead with this formats. Or else, if you want in a different specific location where you want to do, you can also select a new folder inside. And for example, I just want to save here, and you can select this D drive or some. You can also even browse when you go for a file export option. So even you can browse here, or you can just even paste it, and you can select this option like export to the specific location, and you can even convert these two formats like which we haven't selected before. So I just want these two formats now to be saved in this specific location. So I'm going to run this macro. So again, this two formats has been saved now, and you can select OK. So that's how this macro works, and this is more efficient for the engineers who wants to save the formats with a fraction of a second. So yeah, that's how it works. So see you in the next video. Thank you guys.